Can we use the power of artificial intelligence to help us uncover the next 100x potential crypto gem? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the question we are going to be asking ourselves today, as we will be using AI to understand, break down, and analyze Ondo Finance. Now, for anyone who is new to this series, basically what we are doing is we are taking the top 200 cryptocurrency projects and we're analyzing them, we're breaking them down almost like it's the NFL or the NBA Combine. So for anyone unaware, basically what the Combine is it's where all of the top athletes will come and they will compete on a series of tests, a series of evaluations, and they will basically be scored, they will be graded on these evaluations, and these scores will determine how good of an athlete they are, right? They will determine whether the teams, the coaching staff want to invest in them, want to draft them. And so we're going to be taking this same thought process and we're going to be applying it to cryptocurrency projects. So you can see here the 6 key metrics that we will be using AI to break down and score on each individual project. And so the reason that we're doing it this way, the reason that we're using AI, is because we're building our investment thesis on facts and not opinions. And so this is not just going to be some dude shilling you some coin trying to sell his bags or whatever, right? Like there's no vested opinion, there's no vested interest. It's very, very fast and efficient, as you'll see. And to be honest, artificial intelligence is probably smarter than us. It is probably better at considering more variables to make a combined better decision than we would be able to with our own human brain. And then finally, it's scientific, it's replicatable, and so you can take all of the prompts, everything will be in the description. You can take them yourself and you can apply them to any project that is of interest to you, and you'll get similar results. And so without further ado, let's jump in and analyze this project. Alright, what's up everybody? We are back here with another review. Today we are looking at Ondo Finance, institutional grade finance, now on chain. As always, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you are the type of person who really wants to take their investing seriously, do your due diligence, understand the in-depth aspects of a project that's either going to make it successful or not, right? Before just YOLOing your money into the market, it pays to do your due diligence. So what I can promise you is that if you watch to the end of this video, you will have a very, very good understanding of the 6 key aspects that are essential for any project to succeed as a business, as a project, as a community, as a movement. So we're going to be looking at the idea behind the reason that it exists, what problem is it solving. Then we're going to be looking at the product itself, what has it actually brought to market. We're going to be looking how well is the team executing on their vision, are they meeting milestones, are they shipping things on time. We'll be looking at the adoption, are people actually using it, and then finally the community and the team. So as always, let's jump in and first get a executive summary of the project to get a good understanding of exactly what Ondo is all about. So all the prompts or the whole document will be in the description, so you can come and dive in deeper if need be. But let's jump in. So Ondo Finance is a DeFi platform that focuses on creating and managing structured products. These financial products offer investors varying levels of risk and return profiles tailored to their specific investment needs. Position in the ecosystem in the DeFi system as a provider of innovative financial instruments. It leverages blockchain technology to offer structured products that can provide fixed and variable yields, enhancing the diversity of investment options in the DeFi space, targeting both retail and institutional investors who are looking to diversify their portfolios. Problem and Solution addresses the problem of limited investment options in the DeFi space that offer clear risk and return profiles. By creating structured products, Ondo provides investors with tailored financial instruments that meet their investment criteria. Okay, interesting. So I will grab this and we will put it in the document And then what we'll do is we will jump in and we will score it on the idea, the underexplored problem, the uniqueness by which they solve it, and then we'll also score the product. So what I'll do is pause this video and we'll come back and analyze the idea and product scores. Okay, so 8.3 overall we will give Ondo for the idea behind the business. We can see that it addresses the problem of limited customized investment options in the DeFi space by offering structured financial products that cater to varying risk and return profiles. So it seems like a managed fund type idea, sort of like a 401k type thing where you can, decide on your risk tolerance. Unique selling proposition lies in its offering of structured financial products within the DeFi ecosystem, providing investors with customizable risk returns. Cool. All right, so pretty straightforward, right? We understand that. Now, the product, we can see 8.3. Also, we got 8.3 for the product as well. Offers a functional, user-friendly product that meets market demands for customizable DeFi options. Does demonstrate technical feasibility and scalability. We can come in and we can analyze the full answer here underneath it with the evidence and logic, so anyone can come in and dive further into that. Now, moving on, let's look at the execution and the adoption by the market. So essentially, execution wise, what we're going to do is have ChatGPT look at the initial roadmap and the initial white paper, and then corroborate it with the ongoing development updates. Basically, are they communicating? Are they shipping things on time? Are they basically doing what they say they're going to do, right? That's a key thing that you want in your team. Are they missing milestones? Are they not? And then for adoption, arguably, in my opinion, the most important metric here, we want to understand, it's great to have a good idea, a good product, good execution, but is that actually being adopted by the market? Are people actually using it? Are there good tokenomics behind it? This is obviously fundamental for any project to succeed. So we're going to have ChatGPT analyze both of these, and we'll come back and look at the results. Okay, so we can see 8.7, so very good score here for execution, and then 8.5 for adoption, which is also very good. This is probably the hardest metric to score well on. You can see here essentially what we are looking at is we're looking at on-chain data, and we're looking at the total holders of the token, the token holder growth, total active users, and also total transactions. So this is, this is not looking at price, but this is just looking at is the token becoming more widely used and more widely adopted. And so you can see here 8.5. As far as the execution goes, if we dive into the evidence and logic, we can see communication there, consistency and agility, evidence of development and marketing, shows substantial evidence of ongoing development. We can see CertiK security audit adds credibility to their technical progress. So yeah, it's definitely a legit team as far as building out their product here. Now, finally, what we're going to do is look at the community and look at the team. So the community, essentially what we will have ChatGPT be looking at is the metrics from Twitter and Telegram. We'll be looking at the engagement primarily, not just followers. We're going to be looking at the engagement of the posts, and then also have ChatGPT analyze the sentiment of those posts. So are people basically excited? Are they, enthusiastic, and are they responding positively to, those the every post that is put out, right, and interacting together with positivity. And then finally, the team, obviously that's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to have the ChatGPT look at their backgrounds, find who is the team, what's their background, what do they bring to the table, what's their experience, all that good stuff, and we will score community and team. So I'll pause, we'll come back and look at both these two metrics. Okay, so community, we can see 8.8. So strong, obviously strong support there, evidenced by participation, Twitter and Telegram, just like we were talking about. Evidence and logic, we can see here, is literally breaking down every different aspect, of the community, followers, account age, total tweets, all these metrics, right? So yeah, 8.8, very solid. You can see our little algorithm, our little scoring algorithm, just to come up with this score. So it's very very comprehensive. And then as far as the team goes, the team behind Ondo demonstrates strong expertise and experience in relevant fields with clear commitment to the project's success. They maintain active engagement with the community through frequent updates and public interactions reflecting their passion and dedication. So we can see it jumps into the individuals who founded this project, what their backgrounds are, and so obviously they're all very qualified. 8.9 overall, very good score. So now let's just calculate the total score here for Ondo, get an idea of where it stands overall. And while we're doing that, let's have a look at the chart here. Obviously that is going in one direction. That is a one-directional chart. There's not a heck of a lot of data here really to go off, 6 months or so, but I would start by looking at this trend line. See, it's been respected pretty well. Acted as was lost there and then reclaimed, and further on up we go. And so, what do you want me to say? It's on an uptrend, guys. So overall, pretty sound fundamental project. 8.5 overall here. I will grab this and I'll put it in the charts. So as always, if you got some value here, I would appreciate it if you like this video. And if you like the idea of using AI to find investment opportunities and obtain alpha in the market, right? Alpha is like your edge. Then I would encourage you, go ahead and join our free community. The link will be in the description. This will be where we basically just geek out on how to use AI in creative ways to find solid investment opportunities. And so I think there is many exciting use cases for that to occur. And so come join the community. All of the prompts and everything that I use for this will be inside the community. So I'd like to look forward to seeing you in there. Otherwise, that is a review for Ondo, and I'll see everybody in the next video.